Cultural pride on full display in Brooklyn as people gather to celebrate Haitian Flag Day, the holiday marking the creation of Haiti's flag and the island's nation's uprising, ultimately leading to its freedom from France. News 12's Melissa Rose Cooper has more from Flatbush.
The sounds of horns and drums filling the air in Flatbush, drawing spectators on the sidelines as members of this marching band made their way down Nostra Ave for the annual Haitian American Heritage and Flag Day celebration.
It feels like an opportunity for us to bring unity for everyone and for us to be able to understand and appreciate the different cultures that we have in our program and in the community.
The band kicking off the festivities organized by the group Life of Hope.
The parade been going on for over 10 years, but it wasn't like on the street. But this year, because we feel like, people have been stressed in our community, and we decided, it would be good since the city is open to have the parade and to bring some joy and to bring some excitement to people in our community.
The celebration is also a way to pay tribute to Haitians who have paved the way for others in the community, like Councilwoman Farrah Lewis. She says as the first Haitian American woman to hold that position, it's important for her to be an example for the youth.
We've contributed to the Black Revolution. We've contributed to people in our community here, to small businesses, the economy.
It's good to show them, what is it to be like not just Haitian, but to represent our flags and what our flags mean to us.
And although Haitian Flag Day is officially May 18th, attendees say the Haitian culture stays with them every day. In Flatbush, Melissa Rose Cooper, News 12.